Greece is a secret banquet, a feast of hidden delights. Every season something special, and no two places just alike. Greece in summer, the luxury of simplicity, delights the senses, unfolds at a human pace. True luxury can't be bought. The sea has its secrets, waiting to explore. So set your sails. This is your journey. This is your tale. The unknown is the spice of life. Under 100 kinds of blue, ancient cities and sailors, Poseidon's hidden kingdom. Greece in autumn, nature's endless bounty, fruits of the earth, harvest rituals shape the year. Work and love go hand in hand. Wine roots of Greece, small vintages, wonderful and rare. Action and adventure on mountain slopes, on forest paths, on wild rivers. Living in the moment, you thrill to be alive. We find ourselves in action, but in stillness too. Magic places and ancient practices heal, rejuvenate the body and the soul. Revelation fills the mind and spirit too, lifts you up in peace and joy. Greece in winter. Lift up your eyes unto the hills, discover the mountains' magic spell, silence of the peaks. 3,000 villages dot the land, climbing from earth to heaven. Milestones on our journey, a human creation, each one unique. At every turn, the age-old greeting, welcome, friend. Greece, an ideal destination for meeting people and exchanging ideas. Greece in spring, paths of discovery and delight. Trace the heart of Greece, and on the way, a feast for the senses. Miles of memories, the journey is the joy. Pleasures of the table, local recipes, local secrets. Here the stories of the day unfold, and all the senses unite. The memory of a meal can last a lifetime. The feast brings us all together to dance and sing and celebrate. The joy of company, the miracle of life. This is our Greece. Come share it with us.